Hello everyone, this is Jane from JINCO. So we're going to conduct a fingerprint uh, washing machine test. So what we're going to do is I'm pointing on the fingerprint card. As you can see, it's working okay. Going to put it inside the washing machine. Okay. Now we're going to turn on the quick cycle mode 45 minutes. Go ahead and press the start right here, and that's you can see the machine is working right now. We're just going to film a little bit on the machine, filling water up, and we'll see, because 45 minutes is really long, so we're going to come back later, but we can look at how the machine is working right now. As you can see, the water is filling up, and the JINCO's card is floating right now. Okay, we'll come back a little bit later to see how everything's going. As you can see, JINCO's card is inside the washing machine, and it's running a cycle. You can see the card is moving rapidly inside. So the main purpose of this video is to show you that JINCO's card can survive the washing machine test. Despite sometimes you will forget your card in your shirt pocket or in your pants. So we're going to come back after the washing cycle is complete and to see if the car is still functioning or not. Hi, we are back in the middle of the washing or the showering cycle. As you can see, the washing machine is rotating really fast, and looking at the clock on the upper corner, 25 minutes already passed. Okay, so it just slowed down a little bit, and you can see the car in the middle. Okay, now the cycle just resumed. I guess it would be too fast for us to see it. Oh well, we see it right there in the middle. JINCO's fingerprint card is still there, and I guess we need to wait another 18 minutes, and we can take it out and to see whether the car is still functioning the way it is before. Okay. It looks like the washing cycle is complete already, and as you can see, the ASCO washing machine just shut itself down and leave the door open. So let's take out JINCO's card by opening the auto unlock latch and see the card. Can find the card inside the unit. Okay, and you can see this is a fingerprint biometric authentication card by JINCO, and it's has a rechargeable battery inside, and also it's also dual interface with a fingerprint sensor. So let me take the card out and put on top of the washing machine counter right here, and allow me to kind of wipe the surface a little bit dry. Okay, so this is JINCO's fingerprint card. Okay, now let's test whether the card is still functional or not. Let me power it on. Okay, still on. Okay, now my fingerprint. Okay, so what can I say? JINCO's fingerprint dual interface rechargeable card is still working after the ASCO washing machine